Hi, I'll be teaching you how to design this beautiful social media flyer. Let's set up a grayish background, very dark black, 100% black. Let's have this grayish feel. Okay, let's set it out. Right, let's see how it looks. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's pick our pen tool. Okay, and then set up another shape just to create another layer of a background to give it this amazing look. Yes, connect the dots. Okay, I'm going to give it another feel here. Okay, from a red to a black color. Okay, set our red. Okay, that's fine. Let's set it up. Right, I'm just trying to set up a fountain feel. Okay, let's make it a bit darker. Yes, okay, yeah, that looks fine. All right, now you can power clip this inside the shape. Right click and power clip inside. Yes, this looks beautiful. So you see, when you bring up your headphone on it, you see how it looks already. This looks amazing. You can scale it up, just tilt it a bit. Okay, let's scale it up. Yes, scale it up that way. All right, that looks good. Okay, something is still missing. Let's create a shadow, a drop down shadow for it. Okay, give it a black color. Let's blow it. Go to your effects, go to blow, Gaussian blow. Let's blow it. Okay, let's set up the percentage. All right, that's okay. Yeah, looks beautiful now. Yes, it looks fine. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's scale it a bit, scale it a little. Right, can now type our text. Just type in our text. Heavy bass. Yes, cleaner sound. UND. Good. Okay, let's adjust this. Okay, let's adjust it. Set up. Going to get a very good font. Let's get a good font for it. Yes, we can select this font. Yeah, this font is looking fine. Yes, you can see. Let's scale this text up. Let's break it. Okay, scale it up. Yes, this is good. Change the color of this. Cleaner sound. Yes, this looks very good. You can see how it looks. Very sharp. Okay, scale it up. All right, I think we are good. You can now set up your logo somewhere the top left corner. Yes, your logo will look perfect there. Okay, let's see, let's add up a shape like this. Let's create a very simple shape where we're going to just make it look beautiful. Give it a white color. Remove the outline. Yes, and then create another shape again, a rectangle shape, a very thin and a very light shape. Just want to create something unique. Okay, place it at the middle. Let's zoom this page, reduce it. Want it to be very tiny, not too thick. I think that's okay. Let's give it a white color too. Remove the outline. Yes. Place it in the middle. Yes. That's beautiful. Yeah, so we can type in headphone. Yeah, headphone. Yes, that's good. Just place it here. Scale it a bit. Change the font. Yes, let's get a very simple font. Yes, this is a good font. Baskerville. Yes, scale it a bit. Place it in the middle as well. Yes, select the headphone and the shape. Press E and C. That's okay. That's good. Alright. We need to add shop now. That's the call to action. Yes. So let's set it up there. Give it a white color. That's okay. Let's change it to fast stop. Create a shape side. Okay, we're going to give it a white color. We'll use our shape tool. Okay, yes, our shape tool to curve the edges. Yes, we don't want it to be too sharp, so you can now set your red color for the text. Yes, position it properly. Okay, let's use black. Black is fine. Yes, right. So now let's set up something. Let's get our social media icons. Yes, Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, that's okay. Yes, we have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Set them properly, centralize them. Just place them somewhere here. Yes, give them white color or red color. Still fine. Adjust it until it suits what you want. Okay, so let's type in social media. Alright, so pick it up, position it, reduce the font size, then position it somewhere here. Give it a white color. That looks amazing. Yes, this looks amazing. So now, okay, let's just drop in some random text. Okay, just to make the design looks professional. Just paste some random text here. Give it a white color. Okay, that's beautiful. Yes. Alright. This looks professional. Yes, this is good. Okay, let's just remove the full justification. Alright. So now this is our noise background. We're going to use it and give it an overlay. Okay, let's increase the size 8 by 8 inches. And let's just scale it up again. Yes, then we'll use our transparency tool to change our blending mode to screen. Yes, you see it looks as if it has disappeared. No, there is something. When you check, it's looking very much amazing. So we're going to power clip this inside our shape, and when you zoom in, you see the noise. Perfect.